How to find security settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find this one, account, and then just click here, security. Here you will find it, and as you see here you can turn this one on or off, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.